To other news now, 3 men are in custody after a dozen firearms and several makeshift guns were seized during a targeted police operation in Denby, Clarendon today. It's part of an initiative to clamp down on illegal weapons in that parish. The police say the weapons were being used by an illegal security company, and they are warning business owners to be careful. When the Clarendon police pulled over a security officer during a routine stop-and-search operation in Denby around 10 Thursday night, they were in for a surprise.
A security officer was found with an imitation firearm, or a BB gun as it is more popularly called. He was interviewed.
Little did they know that operation would lead them to a major gun seizure. Head of the Clarendon Police Division, Superintendent Carlos Russell, told TVJ News what happened after the security officer was interviewed.
A targeted raid was conducted at a location in Denby that is occupied by a security company. However, this is a unregistered security company. During the search there, 12 rifles were found that include 5 303 rifles and 7.22 rifles, as also some board guns.
Superintendent Russell said he was advised that the board guns were used for cadet training. However, it is not clear what the firearms were being used for. He said 3 persons were taken into custody following the raid. And on top of that, the police indicated that the illegal security company was being outsourced by businesses in Clarendon under the guise of being a legitimate operation.
I just want to advise business owners that whenever they are contracting, especially security companies, that they are to ensure that these persons are licensed and are operating under the law.
Superintendent Russell said the initiative is part of an ongoing effort since the start of the year to rid the crime-plagued parish of illegal weapons.